Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Dewalt circular saw. First, prioritize safety above all else. Always wear safety glasses and hearing protection to protect your eyes and ears from flying debris and loud noise. Before every single use, check that the blade guard moves freely and covers the blade properly. Remember to unplug the saw from its power source when you are changing blades or making any adjustments to prevent any accidental starts. Now, let's prepare for an accurate cut. Begin by carefully measuring and marking your desired cut line clearly on the material using a pencil or marker. Next, adjust the blade depth so that it extends approximately 1/8 inch below the workpiece. This ensures a clean cut and reduces kickback. Finally, secure your material firmly with clamps to prevent any movement during the cutting process. With your setup complete, it's time to make the cut. Place the saw's base plate flat on your workpiece, aligning the blade with your marked line. Before engaging the material, allow the blade to reach its full rotational speed. Then, push the saw forward with a steady, consistent feed rate, letting the tool do the work. Avoid forcing the saw, as this can lead to an uneven cut. Once your cut is finished, release the trigger and allow the blade to come to a complete stop before lifting the saw. Next, take a moment to clean any sawdust and debris from both your saw and the surrounding work area. This helps maintain the tool's performance and keeps your workspace tidy. Finally, store your circular saw in a dry, secure location, away from moisture and potential damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.